Apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short, has become quite popular lately for its many health benefits, like improving digestion and aiding in weight loss. But you can enjoy these health benefits only if you are taking it in a proper way. What does that mean? For that, watch this video, because today we'll tell you about many wrong and unhealthy ways you might be drinking your apple cider vinegar. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Are you drinking it undiluted? ACV is highly acidic, and when you take it straight up without diluting it, it can cause some trouble for your throat, food pipe, and even your tooth enamel. Our throat and esophagus are made from delicate tissues, and when exposed to high acidic levels of ACV, they can get irritated and inflamed. This can lead to a burning sensation in the mouth and throat, and can even cause difficulty swallowing. Not a pleasant experience, right? But it doesn't stop there. ACV's acidity can also damage your tooth enamel. Enamel is the protective outer layer of our teeth, and it's mainly responsible for keeping our pearly whites strong and healthy. But if you are taking your apple cider vinegar undiluted, the acid in ACV can erode this enamel over time, making your teeth more vulnerable to cavities, tooth sensitivity, and paleness or discoloration. We definitely want to keep our smiles in tip-top shape. To avoid these issues, it's crucial to dilute your ACV before sipping it. You can do that by mixing about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with 8 ounces or 1 glass of water. This can reduce its acidity and make it much safer for your throat, esophagus, and teeth. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Are you taking too much ACV? While ACV offers many health benefits, taking too much of it can cause some not-so-fun issues for your tummy and digestive system. So let's break it down. When you go overboard with ACV, it can lead to stomach upset. This means you might experience feelings of discomfort, bloating, gas, or even nausea. Quite the opposite of your desired health benefits, right? Moreover, taking too much apple cider vinegar can also trigger acid reflux. Acid reflux occurs when the acid from your stomach flows back up into your food pipe, causing a burning sensation in your chest, also known as heartburn, and sometimes a sour taste in your mouth. Similarly, consistently taking too much ACV can seriously damage your digestive system. The high acidity of ACV can irritate the lining of your stomach and intestines, leading to inflammation and many digestive issues. To avoid these uncomfortable situations, it's best to consume ACV in moderation. Experts say that drinking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV diluted in a glass of water is enough for a day. Number 3. Are you drinking it before meals? When you drink ACV before a meal, it's true that it can create a feeling of fullness, making you less likely to overeat. However, this fullness can sometimes come with a downside of digestive discomfort. ACV's high acidity can irritate your stomach lining, leading to feelings of bloating, gas, or even heartburn. And well, if you already have any stomach conditions, like stomach ulcers, gastritis, GERD, or other similar issues, do not drink apple cider vinegar, particularly on an empty stomach, as it can be very painful and make your symptoms go worse. So, what's the solution? Well, if you're keen on incorporating ACV into your routine, it's essential to consume it in a diluted form. This can minimize the risk of having stomach issues due to its high acidity. Number 4. Are you trying to replace your meals with apple cider vinegar? Some people may consider replacing their breakfast, lunch, or dinner meals with ACV in an attempt to lose weight quickly. But that's not a good idea. When we talk about meal replacements, we're talking about replacing a balanced diet with something else, like a drink. While ACV can help you lose weight, remember that it lacks many essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. In fact, ACV typically has 0 calories, 0 protein, 0 carbs, and 0 fats. Depriving your body of these necessary things is like keeping yourself hungry for a long time. This can make you feel lazy, tired, and unable to focus. So instead of replacing a meal with apple cider vinegar, take it on an empty stomach and then have a small, but balanced diet that includes a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This way, you can stay active and healthy while enjoying the many health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 5. Mixing apple cider vinegar with certain things can be very harmful. Mixing ACV with baking soda might seem like a harmless idea, but it can result in a chemical reaction. When these two things combine, they create a lot of carbon dioxide gas, which can cause bloating and stomach discomfort and make you burp too much. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, and baking soda is alkaline in nature. If you have ever been into chemistry, you'll know that both these things tend to neutralize each other and produce carbon dioxide, salt, and water. So you'll not be able to get the optimal health benefits from either of them. Plus, it can disrupt the natural balance of acids in your stomach, leading to digestive issues and discomfort. Our stomachs work best when they have a certain level of acidity, and tampering with this delicate balance can be problematic. Similarly, combining ACV with lemon juice might seem like a refreshing and tangy idea, but it can also be harmful. Lemon juice is highly acidic on its own, and when mixed with ACV, it increases the overall acidity of the mixture. Again, too much of this acid can irritate the lining of your stomach and food pipe, leading to heartburn, acid reflux, and other digestive issues. It's best to avoid these experiments and stick with the routine as recommended by most experts: 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. Number 6. Are you drinking ACV on a low blood sugar? ACV has been found to have a significant impact on blood sugar levels, mainly because it helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduces the rate at which carbohydrates are absorbed in the body. This can be helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, as it can contribute to better blood sugar control. However, if you are already taking medications to manage your blood sugar levels, combining ACV with these medications and without asking your health expert can be very harmful. This is mainly because if your body is already low on blood sugar. Drinking ACV can make it go dangerously low, causing hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can cause many symptoms, such as dizziness, confusion, weakness, shakiness, and even loss of consciousness in severe cases. So if you already have type 2 diabetes or other underlying health conditions, it is best to ask your health expert before starting to take ACV on a daily basis. Number 7. Do you have sensitive skin? Never apply apple cider vinegar directly on the skin. Undiluted ACV is highly acidic, and when applied directly to the skin, it can damage the natural pH balance of the skin. This can result in redness, itching, stinging, and even chemical burns, especially if your skin is already too sensitive or if the ACV is left on the skin for an extended period. To avoid these unwanted reactions, it's best to dilute ACV before applying it topically. You can mix it with water or other neutral ingredients to reduce its acidity and make it go gentler on the skin. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.